Hello, welcome back to the No English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. As you can see in the background, today we are in the duck pond.
So, welcome back viewers. Today we are in the duck pond and we're trying to feed the ducks. And we shall talk about water and the various names that we give water. You have to throw to the other side. So, yep, like that. Ah, yeah. So, come back to the lesson. All right. Well, so welcome back, Kapa. Welcome back, and today we want to talk about water and the various names that we give water. So, first of all, we have rivers, we have lakes, we have streams, we have ponds, and all these other things. So we'll start with this. So I'll give you this. You have to hold it up. I hope it's visible. So rivers are called aora. Say aora.
Ahora.
Not aora. Aora.
Ahora.
Aora.
Ahora.
Not aora. Aora.
Ahora.
Aora.
Ahora.
Rivers are called aora. Now lake is called nam. Say nam.
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 Good. Dams are called yawo.
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 So as it's spelled Y-A-W-O. Yawo. Okay. And then springs are called soko.
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 Correct. And then water is called pee.
P.
Say pee.
P.
Water is pee.
P.
Good. Now the next one, I would like to, if you want to say water in the lake, water in the stream, you say pinam, piaora, pisoko. Say pinam,
Pinam.
piaora,
Piaora.
pisoko.
Pisoko.
So pinam means the water of the lake. Piaora means the water of the river, yes. And pisoko means the water of the spring. So piao, what was yao? Do you remember yao?
Yes. Yao.
Yao was the dam. So the water of the dam is called
Yao.
Pinam. Okay? Wow. So the other thing is when you're at the edge of the lake, you say do nam.
Do nam.
Say do nam.
Do nam.
Do nam.
Do nam.
Now, if you don't know where you are, but you're next to a water body, you say do pi.
Do pi.
Do pi.
Do pi.
So do pi means I'm at the edge of a water body. So you might be at the edge of the river and just say do pi or do nam. Now at the lake shore, you say do what? Say do what?
Do what?
Do what?
Do what?
And I think every viewers can hear a lot of noise. Now this is called atudo.
Atudo.
You see the birds going away? Those birds, they're called,
Atudo.
they're ducks. Actually, they're not birds, they're ducks. They're kinds of birds, they're called atudo. So when you're feeding ducks, or when you're feeding them, you say apido atudo. Say apido atudo.
Apido atudo.
Again.
Apido atudo.
So you want to say, I'm throwing food to the ducks. I'm throwing food to the ducks. You'd say, awito ne atudo chiemo.
Awito ne atudo chiemo.
You have to be louder.
Awito
Ne
ne
atudo
atudo
chiemo.
chiemo.
So I'm throwing food to the ducks, okay? So I'm feeding the ducks. Awito ne atudo chiemo. Can we say it together again? Awito ne atudo chiemo. Awito ne atudo chiemo. Right? So I know it's a challenge recording outside here because this is a park and everyone is doing their thing, and so we have a lot of noise. But it's okay. Our viewers can enjoy the scenery as we feed the ducks. And then, right.
Joey, what are you doing?
Laying down for what? You tired?
No.
Then why are you laying down?
Okay, then you finish up, Nikki. Come back, come to the camera.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Remember to subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Low English Dictionary. And for now, Oriti. Bye.